Imagine if something could signal you when you make a spelling mistake. That would mean you'd be able to correct it before anyone else ever saw it. Well, IBM's Selectric System 2000 typewriters with spell check can do that. It's an electronic dictionary that signals you when you misspell a word. So now if you make a spelling mistake, the whole world doesn't have to know.
We're your type.
Morning, Miss Stevens.
Oh, good morning.
The IBM service representative here? I didn't know there was a problem.
Mr. Lewis?
Why is he here?
After you buy IBM equipment for your business, we don't stop trying to make it even better.
What's he doing here?
I don't know. Why don't you ask him?
And if we make an engineering change, as part of our maintenance agreement, an IBM service representative will stop by and make the change.
Ask him, yes. It is too much. You? Yes.
And there's a good chance you won't even know he's done it.
No, you ask him.
You don't know. You ask him. Good as new?
Better than new.
Because at IBM, our service representatives don't just keep your machines running.
Take care.
They make your machines run better.
He said it was better than you.
Better than new? Think he can fix a 53 Studebaker?
IBM.